Cooking for 1 or 2 people in a giant, standard-sized slow cooker is a nightmare. Your food ends up drying out, burning at the bottom, or just looking sad in that massive pot. I wanted to find the perfect small batch solution, so I bought and tested the top 5 small cookers, from electric classics to premium stovetop options, to see which one actually deserves a spot on your counter. Product number 1, Crockpot 2-quart Classic. I started with the classic Crockpot 2-quart. When I pulled this out of the box, it felt instantly familiar. It has that heavy, solid stoneware insert that feels like it can take a beating. It's tiny, but in a good way. It doesn't hog counter space. In terms of performance, it keeps things simple. You've got a manual dial for high, low, and warm. I made a cheese dip in this, and it stayed perfectly melty without burning, which is the main struggle with smaller pots. The 2-quart size is honestly perfect for just me and my partner. We finished dinner with 0 waste. Plus, tossing the stoneware in the dishwasher made cleanup stupidly easy. If you just want a cheap, reliable pot for dips or meals for 2, you really can't go wrong with this original. Product number 2, Hamilton Beach 4-quart. If that 2-quart felt a little too cramping, I grabbed the Hamilton Beach 4-quart next. It feels a bit more substantial in your hands, with a nice stainless steel exterior that looks sharp in the kitchen. It's definitely heavier, but the handles feel secure. I love that this bridges the gap between tiny and family size. It fits a 4-pound chicken, which the smaller ones can't do. I threw a small roast in here, and the manual settings worked exactly as you'd expect. No complicated screens to break. The glass lid is great because I didn't have to lift it to check progress, keeping all that heat locked in. This is the one to get if you cook for 2 people but actually want enough leftovers for lunch the next day. It's the sweet spot for size. Product number 3, Amazon Basics Cast Iron Dutch Oven. Then I switched gears to the Amazon Basics Enameled Dutch Oven. Okay, this isn't an electric plug-in pot, but when I held it, the heavy-duty cast iron screamed quality. It's a 6-quart beast, so it's heavy, but the blue enamel finish is super smooth. I tested this by doing some manual slow cooking in the oven. The heat retention is insane. I seared meat right in the pot on the stove and threw it into the oven at 300 degrees. The result was way better than some electric pots because the heat surrounds the food completely. It's oven safe up to 500 degrees, so it's incredibly versatile. If you prefer traditional cooking methods and have a bit more space, this gives you that slow-cooked tenderness with better searing capabilities than a cheap electric gadget. Product number 4, Greenlife 3.5 QT Slow Cooker. Next, I tried the Greenlife 3.5 QT Slow Cooker. This was easily the best-looking one on my counter. The cream color is sleek, but the real surprise was lifting the inner pot. It's lightweight because it's not heavy stoneware. The killer feature here is that you can put the inner pot directly on the stovetop. I seared some beef right in the insert and then dropped it into the heating base to slow cook. It saved me from washing an extra pan. The ceramic non-stick is legit, too. Nothing stuck to the sides, and it's PFAS-free, which gives me peace of mind. If you care about toxins and want the convenience of searing and slow cooking in one easy-to-clean pot, this is the winner. It feels very modern. Product number 5, Hexclad 1-quart Saucepan. Finally, for the smallest jobs, I tested the Hexclad 1-quart saucepan. This is for when even a 2-quart slow cooker is too big. Holding it, the build quality is wild. It has this laser-etched hexagonal surface that feels like armor. I used this for reheating soup and making gravy. It heats up incredibly fast because of the aluminum core. It's hybrid non-stick, so I could use a metal spoon without scratching it, which is rare. It's oven safe up to 900 degrees, which is overkill but cool. It's not a slow cooker in the traditional sense, but for melting butter or heating a single serving of chili, it's unbeatable. If you need a high-end tool for tiny tasks and hate scrubbing pots, this is a splurge that lasts a lifetime. So whether you need a classic electric pot or a heavy-duty stovetop option, one of these will fit your kitchen size perfectly. I've linked all 5 in the description below so you can check the current prices and grab the one that fits your cooking style. Thanks for watching.